guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to go through my Sephora appreciation haul. I picked up some goodies when it was the 20% off, and so I just wanted to share them with you. These are my favorite types of videos to watch on YouTube and to film, and my favorite time to shop. So if you guys are interested, then please keep watching. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And let's go ahead and get into this bag. Okay, so it took me a little bit longer to film than most of the time, as far as, like, you know, the sale ended over a week ago, a week and a half ago. But I did order some stuff, and then shipping, and then some stuff was not in my shade that I thought, so I had to exchange it, wait for the new shipping, blah blah blah. So let's go ahead and get in. I will talk about some skincare. We're gonna jump all over the place in this video, but first of all, I did get the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. I felt like, one, I needed a new shampoo and conditioner. This has been like super hyped about. It says repair, strengthen, hydrates all hair types. I thought about getting the leave-in treatment, but then I was like, there's no way I'm gonna wait 10 minutes or hours like other people and like wet their hair and go to bed with their hair wet. No, like, you guys, when I was raised, like, my Zio Tonino would like chase me around the house if I had wet hair and be like, you're gonna get sick, how could you? You know, so that's like always stuck in my mind. Do I believe it? No. But I have super curly hair, and my washing, drying, straightening process is long enough that, yeah, nope, the leave-in stuff and rinse out, just not gonna work for me. Like, I'm too lazy. That's the bottom line. So let me know if you guys have those and if you like them. I really wanted the Way one because those smell so good and your hair just smells so good. But I was like, I should do the right thing and get something that's really gonna help. I will update you guys. I don't know if anything can repair my hair. It's yeah. Essentially, my hair feels like pubes when it's dry. So I'll let you know. Alright, moving on. I did get this Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse Purifying, Clarifying Japanese Loofah Fruit Extract. I did get a little sample bottle with my Sephora points, and I really enjoyed it, and it didn't break me out, which is a miracle. And so there's certain skincares like I just get samples of when I can, or my points if I'm interested in them. So this was one I was, and it wasn't too bad. It was 34 bucks for Tatcha. I felt like it was kind of like, for cleansers, it wasn't a horrible, like, would you say price, you know? So I actually really do enjoy this. I have used it, so I decided I will purchase full size. For other skincare, so this is a weird one. I'm actually gonna open it right now, if I can get it open. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is the Genius Liquid Collagen Lip. I think Stephanie Leda mentioned this. Why I bought it, I don't know. I really hope it works, but I cannot say anything because I obviously haven't tried it. But it comes with this applicator. It's supposed to be an actual plumper, and you use it every day. It's from the brand Algenist. So we will see if this is a very bullshit product or if it actually works. So it says you can put this on over a lipstick if you want to, or underneath lipstick and whatever your daily, whatever you wear is. I just have some lip liner on, so we will see what happens. But I did look at a lot of reviews in general before I bought it, because I was like, I don't know about this. But it actually got super good reviews, so I am interested. It feels nice and cooling on the lips too. Like, the applicator is like a hard plastic. For another skincare item, I got this Volition Beauty Detoxifying Silt G-Mask. I got this from Volition Beauty. I think I put the bottle somewhere else. And I also got this Snow Mushroom Water Serum. This came as like a free gift thing when I placed my order a few months ago. And it's not even like, it's halfway full still. You just do like a pea-size amount, and my face looks so nice and hydrated. And I love the mushroom water serum. It doesn't smell like mushrooms, but I get so much hydration from this. And for me, I don't really put on a moisturizer every day. Now I'm just going to this because it does the job just as well. And I don't feel like it's something heavy I'm slathering on. So I really like that. So I decided I would see what else the brand had to offer. And I did this Volition Detoxifying Silt Jelly mask. I don't know. But this also got really good reviews. It's a detoxifying mask, softens skin at the same time. And you know, it tells you all this great stuff it's going to do. But it says it's for purifying and brightening, hydrating and cooling, improves overall skin texture. So I actually did try this out already once. And let me tell you, for a clay mask, I don't like clay masks usually because they like dry your face out and you like can't smile and you just feel like, I just don't like the experience of it. This one, it doesn't dry like that. It's not like a hard clay mask. And my face, usually after those, they feel so dry. This, my face feels so nice and soft. So I would, so far, I'm definitely going to keep this. I was a little bit like, ugh, do I want to spend money on a good mask? But right now, yes, my face needs help. And this has actually, like, I've only used it once, so I can't say it's going to help completely. But I really liked the way my face felt the night after, the day after. It felt so nice and soft. I could kind of like the Drunk Elephant one, the baby facial. Not as like nothing tingly or anything like that, but as far as the way my skin texture feels, it feels so much better. All right, let's get into some makeup because that's the important part, you know? That's the fun part. I picked up a few things from Pat McGrath. The packaging, it's like you have to show the packaging, you know? So I did get a lip pencil, which they all come with a sharpener, which is nice. I got the shade Buff, which is what I have on my lips right now. So it's just a very light baby pink pencil. I won't do a swatch since I have it on for you guys already, but perfect like nude, pink, girly, just a really nice color. And I've already had one of her pencils before and they're great. Like they last all day. I only get them when they're on sale because they're expensive. Another lip pencil I got was this lip liner in Ideal from Lancome. These are great. Like they last so long. I'll do a swatch for you guys. It's like the perfect nude lip liner. And I really, really enjoy this color a lot. It comes with this little extra brush, this lip brush. I don't use that. But the only thing I will say about it is you have to sharpen it pretty often. So I feel like I'm going to go through this super fast. So I don't know if it's worth it, but I love the color. So for right now, it is. I don't know, but you know, when you pay a lot of money and then you're like, I have to sharpen this after 2 uses, it's upsetting, to say the least. I picked up the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. That is what I have underneath my eyes today. And I can't say much because today was the first time I used it. I was worried the shade was going to be too light. I got light beige, but I think it looks pretty good. No creasing so far. It's only been on for like an hour, but this is another one that's been super huge everywhere. It's been everywhere. And what I like about it is it's freaking huge. It is half an ounce, 15 milliliters. It's a huge bottle, is what I'm saying. I think this is the biggest concealer I own, which is nice because it means I'm not going to lose it. But that is one thing that I was like, 29 bucks for concealer, but look how big it is. It's huge. What else did I get? I got this Pat McGrath. It's the only other thing I got from Pat McGrath. I got the Lust Gloss Gold Allure. I have not tried this out yet, but this is what it looks like. It is just like a sparkly, I wouldn't say like, you know, I just did the Fenty Gloss Bomb review, but this has more gold in it than anything else, and so I'm really excited to try this out. But I already put the other lip plumper on, so I'm not gonna put this on too. But yes, I'm very excited about these. I have high hopes. I picked up 2 mascaras. I picked up the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, which is what I have on my eyeballs today, and I absolutely love it. But I decided I was going to try the Milk Makeup one, the Kush mascara, because everyone was talking about it. So I always get sample sizes of mascaras because I don't want to buy a full tube and then not use it. And if I'm using multiples, one's going to dry out and all that good stuff. So I try to keep little minis of almost all my mascaras. And then the Lancome was your big one. I liked it so much that I went to Ulta for the 21 Days of Beauty and picked up a full size for 12 bucks. I'm pretty happy about that deal. Pretty happy. Okay, other things I got. I did get the Scattered Light shadow from Hourglass. Those are a hot commodity, and I'm not sure if I'm in as love as I thought I was going to be. I don't know yet. I love the way they feel. They almost feel like ColourPop shadows. Okay, the color is really pretty. I'm trying not to like everything. This is in the color Blaze. So you get that pot and then like the little thing that goes over it so it doesn't dry out. That is something I'm worried about because when I swatched it in store, some of them did seem dried out. So that's my only worry, especially it being a almost $30 eyeshadow. I'm like, if you dry out, I'm pissed, you know? So I need to make sure I keep the cap in there. The only other eyeshadow I picked up was Top Yacht from Chrome Paint Pot from Tarte. Samantha Ravindal always talks about these. Again, it has the little stopper in there. And it is such a pretty gold color. And like these feel completely different than the Hourglass. They're a little chunky, but then when spread out, that's so pretty. I'm so excited. I am just someone who loves bright like eyeshadows. All right, guys, we are almost done. I picked up the Kat Von D Brow Struck Dimension Powder. So I got a few eyebrow products. This is in the shade Medium Brown. These are a little bit different from like, I love my Anastasia one. This one has some shine to it. So I know, which sounds like super weird for a eyebrow product, but you can't really see it at all. Like I'm wearing it today, you can't see the shine in it, and it's just, I really do love brow powders. And then I also got the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel, which I'm like on the fence about. I've used it a few times and I really like it. It gives me that nice like bushy effect. I know some of you don't like my eyebrows, but guess what? I don't either. But I gotta work with what I have, you know? So I do really like this. I got the shade Dutch, but it's not something I can put in and without like any other product. I have to put like a brow product in or a pomade and then I go in. It's not, it doesn't fill in my gaps, you know? So it's more like a topper. Another concealer I picked up was the Bendy Avocado Concealer. I don't know why avocado sounds really intriguing to me. I just feel like avocado is so nice and cooling. Not really avocado, like guacamole. You know, that's what I think of. But I did pick this up and I do really like it. It's safe for sensitive skin. I have been wearing this on days where I don't want to do my makeup at all and I just want a little bit like, you know, if I'm meeting a new client or just feel like putting a little something on my face to make me feel a little bit more put together. I put this on with no makeup. It looks like skin. And I really have been enjoying this a lot. The only thing I don't like is there's really not that many shades. The shade range is not that great. It's only like 5 or 6 colors. So hopefully they expand on that. But for an everyday concealer, I really am enjoying this. Next up, I picked up the Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow from Laura Mercier. I picked up a mini so I could see if I liked it. We'll see. I don't know yet. I unboxed a lot of this shit because it takes me forever to unbox it in front of you guys. But I have not used this yet. And I don't know. I don't know yet. But I was like, mini sizes, I'm okay to like try out. Alright, 2 last things here. I picked up the D-Bronze Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. I'm wearing them on my face right now. And then I did a layer of bronzer on top. And I don't think I'm going to be keeping this. Because I picked up a sample. Like I said, I always pick up samples of skincare first. And I think it's great. Like, you know when you watch YouTube videos and everyone's talking about something and you're like, that's amazing, I'm going to get that. And then you get it and you're just like, why did I think this was going to be suitable for me? You know, like, I don't self-tan. I think this is great if you self-tan. I don't have anything against self-tanning, but I don't do it. So for me, it's like, I think it's great for people whose faces don't match their body. And then they get this nice, you know, their face looks looks like it matches their body, you know, essentially. So I don't think I need that. And so when I put them on, it's not like it does anything amazing for me. It kind of just blends into my skin, and not worth the 36 bucks. If I, you know, if I self-tan, it would be great, but I don't. So that's a problem, you know? I look at YouTube videos and I get all excited, and then I'm like, I'm not, yeah, no. Why? Just, yeah, no. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm going to continue. All right, last but not least, I have the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I have been using this. I've gotten tons of samples of it, and I really do enjoy it. I think it looks great underneath makeup. Super hydrating. I don't know about the brightening effects. I don't feel like my under eyes are getting brighter, but I do really like the eye cream. Sometimes they just don't, like, I don't know. Eye creams are a hard one to find that you love, you know? So this one, I have been really enjoying it so far. And I will make sure I do updates for you guys in the future as far as things I'm loving and not loving. Man, I forgot my highlight today. That's so weird. Oh. Okay, I will fix that as soon as I'm off camera. Anyways, that is it for my Sephora haul. I did get I got a Girl On bronzer, but it wasn't the right shade, so I'm still waiting for the new one, the other shade to come in. But let me know which products you guys have, which products you guys picked up, what you're like, I'm so not interested in that, or things you are interested in. Let me know if you wanted me to do a video with any of these products. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.